Communications Technology, Diploma in Electronics Technology, Computer Technology.
Ano si Hankabo? Hana Grace. Hana Grace.
Bachelor of Science in Engineering Technology Management.
We're waiting.
Bachelor of Science in Industrial Automation and Electronics.
We're waiting.
Diploma in Automotive Engineering Technology. Doing Off-Highway Services and Management. Transport Vehicle On-Highway Services and Management.
Few moments from now.
Engineering Technology. Construction Materials Testing and Estimation
Congrats, you
Technology.
guys.
Construction Technology. Diploma in Electrical Engineering Technology. Electrical Production and Distribution.
Goyo eh.
Electrical
Hi,
Machinery.
Ars.
Diploma in Ventilating and Conditioning and Refrigeration and Engineering Technology. Diploma in Industrial Automation and Control Engineering Technology. Diploma in Mechanical Engineering Technology.
Ha?
Mechanical Maintenance.
Pinag-wait man ko nga, kuan.
Diploma in
Nag-wait ko
Material
ng pagkuan.
Science and Engineering Technology. Laboratory Technology. Process Technology. And finally, 2-year Diploma in Industrial
Apit na.
Automation Maintenance.
Sir, pagdali po siya rin tawon sa ning oras.
Ay,
bali pag yun.
President.
Ay, for your confirmation.
By virtue of the powers vested in me by law, I now confer upon you your respective degrees, titles, and diplomas, with all the rights, duties, and obligations that to undertake. Congratulations to all of you.